first outfit that I have here.
Hi guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a haul of everything I bought this month. Someone in my last video said that my posture was giving them anxiety, and I think it's just the angle I film at, and I do want to be like in the frame, so I kind of like am like weird and try to creep in over here, so I'll try to my best to sit as straight as possible. I have accumulated a fair amount of stuff that I want to show you guys that I've purchased, or a few things were actually gifted to me that I want to show you because I think they're definitely worth your while. So without further ado, let's just get started. So I got 2 bralettes for LA. If you guys haven't seen my LA haul or any of that like kind of vlog, let me know. You guys should definitely keep on up with my Instagram if you guys haven't caught up already. But I wanted some bralettes to layer under this particular sweater that I have here, which I'll show you guys later. But I got them from Amazon, and they are by the brand DKNY. So I thought that they were not going to be this sheer on, and in the try on I have these sticky boobs on, which is probably what the model on Amazon did, because I really thought they were going to be padded, but they are not. I still love them anyway because they're so pretty, but again, like you can't really wear like a white t-shirt and expect full coverage from this. I also picked it up in nude because I don't have any nude like bras really, so I picked this one up, and of course I had to have my own twist on it with these neon green sleeves, but I like them anyway. Like, they make good t-shirt bras for like tops that aren't exactly white, so I really like them. You guys can see what they are here, and I got them in a medium, and I'm usually a 34B, 32C type of thing, so I recommend these. I think they're really nice quality and they're really pretty, but you're not gonna get like full coverage or like a ton of support from them, so just wanted to give you guys the heads up. The next thing I have here is actually a top that I picked up in LA, and I didn't talk about it because it wasn't a thrifted item, but it is this, and we went to Tees and Jeans on Abbot Kinney Road. This is by the brand Junk Food, and basically it's a whole store dedicated to kind of customizing either denim or tees. Very self-explanatory. So I got Rach speed printed on it, and I loved it. So cool. The next thing I have here is from Shop Redone. Thank you, Shop Redone, for giving me these items once again. I love their items, and if you guys are looking to kind of splurge on some really good basics, they have those. The first thing I got was actually this pair of jeans I'm wearing here. I believe that these are, I don't know the name of them, but I'll have them here or listed in the description down below. But I love the high waist on them. I love that they reach just to my belly button. They're gonna be great with a bunch of cropped tees and things like that. I also really like the length as well as the leg. I'm not sure if this video is going up now or before, but I haven't really been wearing a lot of skinny jeans lately, and I find that these are a great alternative to them because they're not super skinny tight like leggings, but they just are so nice, so stretchy. They're in a size 26, even though I probably would have chosen a 25 for them, just because they stretch out a lot. But I like them. They feel like leggings. Absolutely amazing. The next thing that Redone gifted me was this tie-dye sweater. I am totally going to bring this to Hawaii. I love this so much. It's cropped and it looks nice with the jeans. I'm going to wear it with a pair of joggers. This is definitely going to be my airplane sweater. Like, how freaking cozy. And then the next thing I got was this t-shirt. It says Los Angeles. I really like it. It kind of reminds me of that whole Hawaii vibe as well. I think it's really cool. So into this, and I don't have a lot of graphic tees anymore, so I really like this as an option. This one's in a size small, as well as this one that they also gave me. This says Sister Pick Me Up. I think it's really cute. Like, how fun. Actually, I have 2 things from Aritzia. I bought them at separate times. This was not on sale, and I got a lot of questions on this on my Instagram because it like it's just so pretty as a top on its own, or even layered like this. I really like it. But this has like the metal little buttons. It comes in a bunch of different colors from Aritzia, and it's around $135, which is very expensive, but I think for the amount I will wear it, I think it's definitely worth it. And again, a really good basic. You can see so many girls on Instagram wearing this. The next thing I got from Aritzia, this is like, this is kind of annoying. So I got this t-shirt, and it's by Wilfred, I believe. Let me just look. Wilfred Free. So I got this in a medium. It's so soft. Like, I love the way this feels. This feels like the t-shirts at Splendid, and I don't know, it's really nice and super nice on. But there was a catch. I got this actually for $14.99 and it was on sale from $40, which is a really good deal. But I hate when this happens. I know it's not a big deal, but they left the security tag on. And I could try to take it off myself, but I really don't want to rip the shirt because it's so delicate. So I'm going to have to go all the way back in, show them my receipt, and hopefully they'll be able to take this off for me. I don't know why it didn't beep going out of the store. Like, this is a security tag. And then I got 2 pairs of shoes kind of at different times. Let's start with these ones because I posted them a while ago, but they are by C by Chloe. And I know what you're thinking. Chloe is like so expensive. However, this was actually on sale for 60% off at TNT. So TNT is like a boutique. They have women and men's, like kind of designer clothes in Yorkville, and they have like a few other locations too. But I picked these up at Yorkville, so they ended up being like $200 something, and they're originally like a $600 shoe. So I'm so happy about them. I know they're not everybody's jam because they're a little bit cartoony and very kind of exaggerated, but they are so comfortable and give me so much height. So very into these, and I'm definitely gonna wear them like come spring with like some flowy dresses and stuff. I think they're really cool. And then the next pair that I got is a pair of white Doc Martens. I just ordered these off of Urban Outfitters. They're just like my other Jaden boots with the platform and everything, except they're white. I thought that these would be a lot easier to pair with stuff, but they haven't been as versatile as I'd like, maybe because I'm still in this winter rut. The last thing I want to show you guys is kind of like a double whammy. I sadly had to buy a new iPhone this month, and they're very expensive. And yeah, they just keep getting more and more expensive. I'll be able to shoot like better content for you guys. Like the camera on this is insane, and the amount of stuff I'm able to do with it is just like endless. But I actually reached out to Casetify to get a new case for it because I don't have any cases for this phone. And they sent me 3. First thing came in this beautiful box, like so luxurious. You guys may know the brand because Kylie Jenner wears their cases, Gigi Hadid, like all these really cool girls, and you're able to customize them. So they sent me these 2 with the quicksand. I only got the quicksand ones because I think they're really cool. And I was running out of ideas what to write on them, but I ended up getting like my initials, my nickname, as well as my YouTube channel username. I love these. I think they're so cool. Like, I'm so excited to have them. And plus, in the mirror selfies, they'll just pop. So guys, that is my latest haul of what I have bought in the last few weeks. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know which was your favorite piece down below, or if any of these you would like them completely actually styled. And without further ado, I'm gonna go, but make sure to head on over to my Instagram if you guys want latest updates, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.